Hello friends, welcome to our channel. I am Ashanna, Director of Sadhana Study Circle. I have been teaching mathematics last 6 years. In this video, I would like to teach you fractions or fractional numbers. In these fractions or fractional numbers, we are going to learn addition of fractions. Addition of fractions. In this addition of fractions, first addition of like fractions. How to find addition of like fractions? There is a rule to do addition of like fractions. Addition or sum of like fractions is equal to sum of the numerators by common denominator. Let us see one example. 2 by 5 plus 7 by 5. These are like fractions. We know that if the denominator of fractions are same, then they are called like fractions. Sum of the numerators. These are numerators. 2 plus 7 by common denominator. So these both are common. We have to write one only. Sum of the numerators by common denominator. That is equal to 2 plus 7, 9 by 5. One more example. 1 by 2 plus 2 by 2 plus 5 by 2 plus 9 by 2. Sum of the numerators 1 plus 2 plus 5 plus 9 by 2. These are common. 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 5, 8, 8 plus 9, 17. 17 by 2. Now, addition of unlike fractions. To find the addition of unlike fractions, we have two methods. Method 1, making given unlike fractions as like fractions. Method 2, taking the LCM of the denominators. So let us learn one by one, taking one example. 3 by 4, 5 by 6. 3 by 4 plus 5 by 6. We know these aren't like fractions. These are unlike fractions. Fractions having different denominators are called unlike fractions. So first we have to make these like fractions. 4 3s 12. To make these like fractions, we have to multiply taking a number and multiply both the numerator and denominator. 4 3s are 3 3s are 5 by 6, 6 2s are 5 2s are. These are same numbers. 3 3s are 9, 4 3s are 12, 5 2s are 10, 6 2s are 12. Now we can as usual we have already learnt previously, sum of like fractions is equal to sum of the numerators by common denominator. So 9 plus 10 by 12, 19 by 12. This is method 1. Next, method 2. For this only I am finding three by 4 plus 5 by 6. Take the LCM of these denominators. 4, 6, 2 2s, 2 3s. So LCM of these numbers is 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So write this LCM as denominator and divide this denominator with the denominator of first fraction. 4 3s are 12 and multiply with this numerator. 3 3s are 9. So we have to write 9 here and again divide this denominator with the second fraction. 6 2s are 12, 2 5s are 10. So 10 here we have to write 19 by 12. So in both the methods we got same answer. So this is taking LCM of the denominators method. Addition of mixed fractions. How to find addition of mixed fractions? There are two methods to find addition of mixed fractions. Let us see one by one. Taking one example. 1 2 by 3 plus 4 5 by 6. In method 1, we have to separate the whole numbers and fractions. 1 plus 2 by 3 plus 4 plus 5 by 6. Now we have to add these whole numbers and fractions separately. 1 plus 4 plus 2 by 3 plus 5 by 6. 1 plus 4, 5. Now we are taking the LCM of these numbers. These are unlike fractions. That's why we have to take the LCM. 3, 6. LCM of these numbers is 6. LCM of 3, 6 is 6 because 6 is the multiple of 3. So that's why 6 is the LCM of these numbers. In finding also we can get that only. 3 1s are 3 2s are 3 2s are 6. Now write this LCM as denominator and divide this denominator with the denominator of the first fraction. 3 2s are 6, 0. Multiply this quotient with the numerator of the first fraction. 2 2s are 4. Write down of the first fraction. Next, divide this denominator with the second denominator of the second fraction. 6 1s are 6, 0, 1 5s are 5. So here 5. 5 plus 4 plus 5 9 by 6. Here we can get this is improper fraction. We have to convert this into mixed fraction. 6 ones are 6, 3 1 3 by 6 means 1 plus 3 by 6. 5 plus 1 plus 3 by 6. 5 plus 1 6, 6 3 by 6. So this is the answer. We have to write the answer always in simplest form or standard form or lowest term. That's why we can cancel also. 3 ones are 3 twos. 6 and half. The final answer is 6 and half. 6 1 by 2. This is the method 1. Next method 2. First we have to convert this given mixed fraction into improper fractions. 1 2 by 3 plus 4 5 by 6. First we have to convert into improper fraction. 3 ones are 3, 5 by 3 plus 6 fours are 6 fours is 24, 29 by 6. Now take the LCM of the denominator. We have already found here 6 is the LCM. LCM of 3 and 6 is 6. Now divide the denominator with the first denominator of the fraction. 6 3 2s are 6, 2 5s are 10 plus again divide this denominator with the second fraction, denominator of the second fraction. 6 ones are 6 and multiply this quotient with the numerator of the second fraction. 29, 39 by 6. We have to convert this. Before six are 36. 3 6 3 by 6, 6 3 by 6 means 3 ones are 3 twos, 6 1 by 2, 6 and half. So in this case also we got same answer. To better understand addition of fractions, here we have 3 more problems on like fraction, unlike fraction and mixed fraction. Let us solve one by one. First problem, 1 by 5 plus 2 by 5 plus 3 by 5 plus 4 by 5. We know addition or sum of like fractions is equal to sum of the numerators by common denominator. That is equal to 3 6 10, 10 by 5. We have to write answer always in simplest form. That's why we have to cancel with the common factor is 5. 5 ones are 5 twos. 2 by 1 means 2. Next, second problem. 2 by 7 plus 3 by 14 plus 5 by 21. To find unlike fractions, sum of unlike fractions, we have to take the LCM of the denominators. 7, 14, 21. 7 1s, 7 2s, 7 3s. So LCM is equal to 7 into 1 into 2 into 3. 7 2s are 14, 14 3s are 42. So write this LCM as denominator. Now divide this denominator with the denominator of all fractions and multiply with the numerators alternately. 7 7 6 are 42. 0 6 2s are 12. 12. Again 14 42. 14 3s are 42. 3 3s are 9. With 21 2s are 42. 2 5s are 10. 12 plus 9 plus 10 11 3 31 by 42. This is a simplest form only and also proper fraction. Next, third problem. This is in mixed fraction. These are in mixed fractions. 1 plus 2 by 3 plus 4 5 by 6 plus 7 8 by 9. Separate whole numbers and fractions. 1 plus 4 plus 7. 2 by 3 plus 5 by 6 plus 8 by 9. 1 plus 4 5 12. LCM of these numbers 3 6 9. 3 1s, 3 2s, 3 3s. 3 2s are 6, 6 3s are 18. So LCM is 18. With 3 divide this LCM. 18 3 6 are 18. 6 2s are 12 plus with 6 we have to divide this 18. 6 3s are 18. 3 5s are 15. With 9 divide this 18. 9 2s are 18. 2 8s are 16. 12 plus 12 15 16. 11 13 43. 43 by 18. This is a improper fraction. That's why we have to divide. We have to convert into mixed fraction. 18 2s are 36. 13 minus 6 7 0. 2 7 by 18. 12 2 7 by 18. 2 7 by 18 means 2 plus 7 by 18 we know. 14 plus 7 by 18 means 14 7 by 18. This is the method of finding mixed fraction. Subtraction of fractions. In the subtraction of fractions, first subtraction of like fractions. We already learnt addition of like fractions. Sum of numerators by common denominators. Here also difference of like fractions is equal to difference of the numerators by common denominator. Let us see one example. Nine by 8 minus 7 by 8. Here the denominators are same, so that's why these are like fractions. Difference of the numerators. 9 minus 7 by common denominator 8. 2 by 8. We have to keep the answer always in simplest form. That's why we have to cancel with taking a common factor. 2 ones, 2 fours. 1 by 4. One more example. 6 by 5 minus 2 by 5. 6 minus 2 by 5. 6 minus 2, 4 by 5. Now, subtraction of unlike fractions. The method of finding subtraction is same as that of their addition. But here we have to take care regarding its signs. Let us see an example. Nine by 8 minus 4 by 12. Take the LCM of the denominator. Two fours, 2 6, 2 2s, 2 3s. So LCM of these numbers is 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. Divide this 24 with the denominator of the first fraction. 8 3s are 24, 3 9s are 27. Next, divide this 24 with the 12. 12 2s are 24, 2 4s are 8. So first we have to write this 27 below 9 by 8. Next 8 below 4 by 12. 27 minus 8, 19, 19 by 24. So this is the method of finding difference of unlike fractions. Subtraction of mixed fractions. Let us see one example. Here we have two methods to subtract mixed fractions. Method 1. First, split the whole numbers and proper fractions. 9 7 by 8 minus 5 minus 9 by 12. Now we have to write whole numbers at a place and proper fraction in a place. 9 minus 5 plus 7 by 8 minus 9 by 12. 9 minus 5 4 plus here we have to take the LCM of denominators. 8 to 12, 2 4s, 2 6, 2 2s, 2 3s. So LCM of these numbers is 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 3 is the 24. 24 write as denominator. Now divide this 24 with the denominator of first fraction. We can divide like this now onwards into multiply with 7. 4 2s, 4 6, 2 1s, 2 3s, 3 7s are 21. So 21, 27 right, 21. 3 7s are 21. 21 right down of the first fraction. Now 24 divide with 12 and multiply with 9. 12 ones, 12 twos, 2 nines are 18. 4 plus 21 minus 18. 21 minus 18. 11 minus 8 3. Here 1 only, 1 minus 1 0. So 3 by 24. 3 by 24 as a common factor 3. So we have to cancel with the taking the common factor. 3 ones are 3, 3 eights are 24. 4 plus 1 by 8 means 4, 1 by 8. So this is the answer. Next, method 2. In this method 2, we have to convert into improper fractions. 9 7 by 8 minus 5 9 by 12. 9 8 9s are 72, 79 by 8. 8 9s are 72 plus 7 79 by 8 minus 12 5s are 60, 60 plus 9, 60 plus 9, 69 by 12. LCM of these numbers 8 12 already we found here. 24. 24 this LCM divide with the denominator of the first fraction. 24 divided by 8 into 79. 8 ones, 8 twos, 8 threes. 3 nines are 27. 3 twos are 21. 3 sevens are 21, 23. 277 minus 24 by 12 into 69. 12 ones, 12 twos, 2 nines are 18, 2 six 12, 13, 138. 138. Now we have to subtract 237 minus 138. 17, 9, 12, 12 minus 3, 9. 99 by 24, 3 threes are 3 threes are 3 eights are we have to convert this into mixed fraction. 8 fours are 32. 1 4 1 by 8. 4 1 by 8. If we compare these two answers, we can understood both the same. 4 1 by 8, 4 1 by 8. Thank you, children. Thank you for watching my video. If you haven't subscribed my channel, you immediately subscribe and press the bell icon to get my latest updates, and also share it to your friends to help them and encourage for me to make more interesting videos.